Friends, we are watching drama. I think I have a weasel eating out of a nest. You listen to the birds, they're really upset. There's all different kinds of birds around. Looks like it's a starling nest, which is an invasive bird. And nature does have to happen. It's in the tree right now. Oh, a goldfinch has come down. There's cardinals all around. There's a grosbeak over there. Oh my goodness. I think it's a grosbeak. I didn't plan a video for today, but this just happened. I was sitting on the porch getting ready to mow, and I hear this bird commotion, and then I saw this tail going up the tree. I wonder if it's inside eating. Oh, sometimes it's hard to watch Mother Nature at work. There's the goldfinch. I just saw a flash of something in that hole. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, those starlings are... Oh, it's sticking its head out of the hole. It just stuck its head out. I wonder if me being here is keeping it in there. I'll back up a little bit. Now I had what I think was a weasel that ate and killed my chickens. And so I'm wondering if this is a weasel. Definitely had a long, dark body. Now I know that squirrels will also eat baby birds sometimes, but I just don't think this was a squirrel. Oh, the birds are definitely upset. I'll step away a little bit, see if we can see it come out. This is fascinating, friends. Oh, those poor starlings are trying so hard. And there's a catbird back there. Oh, they want to protect their babies. Now this is one of our locust trees that has been falling down, and we leave it here just for nests for animals to make their homes. I think it might be time to get my wildlife camera out just to keep an eye on these trees back here. Now, I haven't seen it leave. I wonder if it's still in there. Wonder if there's The catbird and the starling are both right there, while other birds watch on. Even a house sparrow is joining in, also an invasive bird. Oh, that starling is so upset. So friends, it pays to just sometimes stop and listen. And if you hear the birds, maybe wonder what they're talking about. Well, they've quieted down. Might have been because I was talking. Friends, I'm gonna try and sneak around to a different spot. Okay, friends, I'm in a different location, thinking maybe if I just stand really still and quiet, maybe the weasel will come out, or whatever it is. Definitely think it's still in there, because the birds are definitely still upset. Keeping an eye on that hole right there, because that's the one it went in. Alright, I'm going to back away a little bit more and see if it maybe will come out. Friends, did you see the face stick out right before I hit the stop button? There's a little gray face, so I'm going to back up a little bit and see. It's a really good tree monster too. A couple of different tree monsters. Okay, I'm going to stop and just wait quietly. Friends, did you see that? I hope I caught it. The weasel just came out of the hole and the starling, or daddy starling, was dive bombing it when it came out. Now I'm gonna guess they're gonna go inside and see what happened. Alrighty, this was very exciting. And I think that I will set up a wildlife camera here. Sometimes nature is sad, But everybody has to eat. I'm going to do a little research more on the weasels too. Okay. Bye, friends.